What's good, you two? We're back at it with Pill Trades. We're on a funded account today. I went it longs. My OBS wasn't working, so we missed the trade, but okay, I think I'll still get in here. This is still very high. I want to see continuations longs here. Oh, what? My phone, man. See continuation longs here. I think I okay missed my entry. Uh, yeah, basically I want to see this go all the way back to all-time highs. I guess would be a good target. But we're on the funded account, so I wanted this entry. This has been the better entry, not gonna lie. Uh, that's a terrible entry, but silver also looking good for long, I think. But I'm gonna stay on gold for now. But this is a terrible entry, though, not gonna lie. With the 4 hour high, bro. I hate this entry. With the stop loss. I want this entry. We're above the line. So you want to keep climbing. I don't know how I feel about low key. I might take this entry right here. Hopefully, price does not leave us. Basically, we're just it's a waiting game at this point. Actually, I wanted silver. Silver longs what I wanted, but we have a terrible entry already. I don't like this entry for gold. Not gonna lie. Like a good entry would have been near this point of control with this volume mode. But I just got my account like 30 minutes ago, so this is a better entry though. So I don't know. I don't, this would be a better entry. Okay, okay, I'm gonna just turn off. Or I might chase over. But this is a terrible entry, I'm going. Mm, or this high. It's have terrible entries for everything here. What just happened? Basically, silver looks good for longs. Like, am I long at the top here? Is that what it is? I'm going to 1 minute. See, this isn't really the best look for longs for there. For here, I wanted this entry. OBS, man. I might take a silver trade, actually. I'm not going to lie. But this isn't good. Rejected the highs. One, two, three. but it's making higher highs, lower lows, higher high. We got, I like silver to continue up. My stop loss view. Crazy stop loss. That's view what I want. I just missing my trades. She can't. No entries in my market here. This could have been an entry, but probably won't enter here. That's what happens when you trade, bro. You miss your good entries. Yes. I'm probably gonna do that. Basically, these were the levels. This was a decent level tap. This is like market open exactly. Trading this is insane. Like, I don't know how people do that. Trading the first like 1 minute. It's great. These look good for continuation longs. Yeah, these actually look good for continuation longs. Silver. Uh, this she looks good for continuation longs. The selling it can't pass through here. I might actually get an a silver long. These look good to continue up. Let's see. How much am I allowed to risk? 1 minute? 2 minutes would be how much? 850. Wow. Probably just left me. That is funny, bro. Price actually just left me. We're about to see. And gold. Price also leaving me. I don't like that entry though. See, silver would have been a better trade. I didn't have an entry, so nothing I can do. Actually, what I believe this is going to go. I might just throw a mini on it to this high. I'm not gonna lie. This is a terrible thought loss, I guess. I'm not gonna lie, guys. We're not getting a good entry. I'm thinking of just throwing a mini on this because my entry's already cooked. I wanna, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I don't support this, but I'm about to throw a mini on this till this high because my entry is already terrible. So there's nothing I can do about that. My entry is this terrible. I guess I could have entered there. I don't know. So I wanted this. It's just trading, bro. See, see, the thing was entering at these highs, you could get this. You could get this terrible. But I actually believe this is going to go to all-time highs. So We'll throw a mini on it. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw 1 mini on this here. Or this is a good rejection zone, but we've been steadily building up actually, so don't know. Don't know. What I wanna do. Yeah, I'm gonna throw minis on this. 'Cause I'm gonna second get filled here. Because I already missed my entry down here. And we're here to make money, not where would my TP be? Yeah, this would be my stop loss would be like right here actually. How much I wanna make? I need what? Where's the 4 hour high? This is where my TP is gonna be, not gonna lie. Uh, yeah, that's gonna be a trade, I'm not gonna lie. This would be a better entry, but sometimes OBS would not start when I miss my entry, so this is what we're going with. Silver is also gonna pump. Whatever, let's see. That's a $4,000 trade. I'm not gonna lie, guys. If you have an entry like this, always move your stops up. Always move your stops up break even. Protect at least some capital. Also, to make this on winning day, we need like $200. So I'm gonna keep my thing. I told y'all, bro. But I'm not gonna trade silver. It's crazy. Basically, we're about to see where this takes us. I'm not gonna lie. I'm okay with that. The entry was terrible, but you can see the cross here. After that's been Gucci. See, if I had an entry here, oh my god, we'd be eating, boys. But if this crosses, then I'm gonna be out of the trade. But for now, the trade's looking okay. And I mean, we already secured a winning day pretty much. Which is this? 500, yeah. We're up a little bit, but we secured a winning day already. Just how much we can squeeze out this market. I want to target these 4 hour highs. Silver is also looking to pump up. Yeah, that's it pretty much. Actually, I don't know what to be saying sometimes, guys. It's like, whoa. Whoa. First trade on the funded? This is what we were getting? Nah, boys. We might. Yo, I love trade. No way we hit TP first trade back. How much of this? How much of that? 4,000 to the 4 hour highs? I will take that. 4,000 today would be great, actually. I think, is that 4,000? Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, TP is gonna be at 4,000. Hopefully, we get this remaining 4 hour. Or I might just let this run overnight, actually. I don't know. Just gonna have to wait and see. The silver is also pumping, like I said, man. Silver is too expensive. I'm not gonna lie. Let's focus on our trade. This right here, at least secure was that 1,000. Yeah, I'm gonna keep securing 1,000. Okay. I guess I should have not been scared to enter here. Maybe. Doesn't really matter though. Like terrible entries. Oh, here we might be getting stopped out here. We'll just wait and see what happens. But I don't think we're getting. I think we're going all the way to all-time highs. Silver. Oh, Makala, silver and gold actually correlate heavily. But trading silver, it's like you're trading a Rolex money at this point. 'Cause let's say where do I want to enter? Right here. I want to enter right here. But imagine I entered right here. So I would have died. Yeah, genuinely out of. Yeah, this is actually if we get 4K day on the funded, that would be beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. That'd be beautiful start to the funded. But if we do reach here, I might just actually select the trade run. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. No reason to cut a winning trade short. Trying to drink because I said losing trade, a winning trade. Imagine getting entry from here, from this value area high. That would have been crazy, but like trading the first one of the market is also insane. So what we want to do here, it's like we're struggling with this high. How do ICT people do this? Like, I don't know, they be drawing lines like right here. I might move my stop, so actually, I'm gonna check this. Actually, I'm cool with 1,000. I want to see this 4 hour highs get hit. That 4 hour highs or all time highs. I think that's all time highs, right? Yeah. We're this close to all time highs. I want to see that get hit. Or we might push lower, but I'm okay with that. Silver doing. Oh, we might get stopped out actually. Yeah, it's not looking good. I might move this down a little bit, but I don't like this. Not like this. Let's see. Yeah, I think we're getting stopped out here. I think I'm okay with that. I'm not gonna lie. Should that 1,000? Yeah, I'm okay with that. Let's see. This crosses. I'll exit out the trade manually. Yep.